Welcome back to another episode of Garden State Growing. As you can see, we are in my truck today. Why? Because I have got a very exciting episode for you today. We are going to go visit a couple friends of mine. They are co-workers at my job, and they invited me to come down and see their farm and see their neighbor's farm and collect as much poop as I can get my hands on. And that's what I'm looking to do today. I have my gorgeous wife. Say hi, Nicole.
Hello.
Hello. And we're gonna have a lunch date and shovel some shit. All right, guys, so here I am. What county are we in? I don't even know what county.
We're in Jackson, New Jersey.
Jackson, New Jersey.
About 6 minutes from Six Flags and about 3 minutes from the Jackson outlets.
Beautiful, beautiful. And as I drove down here, I gotta tell you, some of the most amazing, gorgeous scenery that I've ever seen. I've been down in this area. I live in New Jersey, and that's fine. They got the Pine Barrens. They have these beautiful farms all the way down here, and that's the reason why I'm down here today. Well, more specifically, I'm here for this stuff right here.
The manure.
The manure. So this is my buddy Alex from work, and he is what we call a vendor representative. And my job is to make sure I know how the instrumentation works so the surgeons can do their job and I can tell them how to do it. His job is to teach me how to use all the instrumentation first, and he is there as a team member during the procedure to instruct me on all the specialized instrumentation that we use during a surgery. The hospital is only responsible for providing us with the most basic instruments. He provides me with everything I need to fix a spine. So we came down here to Jackson County, and he has a neighbor that has a farm. Actually, he has multiple neighbors with multiple farms.
And multiple horses and multiple piles of manure.
And so he has a gracious neighbor, Mark, that we went over to see. He's got 2 big chicken coops, and that is where we picked up all this chicken manure from. I think I got 4 or 5 buckets of chicken manure. And then if you come in here to see this cow manure, it had broken down, and this is just complete black gold right here. This is all ready to go into my garden. The chicken manure, I'm gonna let it mature first for a couple months to make sure that if you put raw manure in your garden, you're gonna burn your plants. So that's it for this segment right here, but I will be coming back when I get home and I show you what I do with all this manure. So I love you guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you later on today. Have a good night, Alex.
Take it easy. Thanks for watching.
This guy's great. All right, everyone. So me and Alex there decided we were going to take the dirt bikes out and do a little trail riding here right behind Great Adventure Safari. And I'm going to try to get some pictures of the animals, but they're much more interested in the cars full of food. So we'll see what pictures we can get. But the thing is, we ended up at this one location here, and we are completely lost.
I got my GPS going. I know I'm pinned where I need to be. But yeah, it's 1.3 miles away. So
apparently it's only 1.3 miles away that we have no idea where we're going. All right, let's get to it. This is Alex trying to figure out where we are using his GPS, walking around in circles. All right, everyone. So I have finally gotten home from Alex and Amber's house down south in Jackson. Some of the most beautiful scenery, the Pine Barrens down there, the woods, the farms, and holy crap, did I have so much fun today. I hope my wife and Amber did. We kind of put them together and we're like, we're gonna go play in the poop, and then we disappeared for like 5 hours or close to it, me and Alex. But as you can see there, I have 10 buckets either filled up with chicken poop and horse manure. Now the great thing about the horse manure is it's ready to go in the garden. This stuff has been sitting out and maturing for such a long time. It is turned into soil. It doesn't smell like poop at all. It doesn't smell like manure at all. I can't wait to get these into my tomato beds, at least maybe my pepper beds. We'll see how much I actually have. Well, I actually kind of know how much I have. I have 25 gallons because I have 5 buckets. I think I have 6 or maybe 30 anyway. And then I saw he had like a bunch of pallets like sitting there, and I'm like, hey bro, what you doing with the pallets? He was like, I don't know, I was gonna burn them or something. I'm like, nah, can I have them? He was like, yeah, dude. And so we made some room. We threw them in the back, and I'm gonna use those pallets to hopefully box myself out a nice little compost bin. Because like I said, while the horse manure is like ready to go into the garden and is perfect and great right now, it's been sitting out, the chicken manure is not. It is still fresh and it does need to age. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of the finished compost that I have back in my yard out of that, put it in a wheelbarrow and put it in my garden. And then I'm gonna dump all this chicken poop right into my compost pile, and I'm gonna let that sit there for a couple months until that matures, and that's gonna feed the soil that's in my compost with everything else that I'm putting in there. So let me put a cap on the end of this day because I am tired. We went out dirt bike riding, hanging out with his neighbors and the farmers, and we wound up helping put in a bathroom floor and you know, collecting all this manure and just generally having a great time while my wife and Amber entertained themselves graciously doing whatever they were doing with each other. I don't know, whatever. So anyway, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see what's going to be happening with all of this stuff in a future video, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that little notification bell ringy ding ding. I love you. I'll see you on the next episode. Oh, Alex, Amber, thank you for a great fucking day.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting strong.
I already called not helping.
Call not helping.
No. I call ignoring you.
I've been all around.